Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. As you know, we were doing adjectives and types of adjectives. Okay, we have done adjectives and two types of adjectives. As you know, there are total 5 types of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. But we have done adjective of quality and quantity. So today we are going to continue next type. Okay, so which one is next? That one is demonstrative adjectives. Okay, demonstrative adjectives. So what do you mean by demonstrative adjective? As you know, demonstrative words are which one? Demonstrative words: this, that, these, those. These are demonstrative words. So what do you mean by demonstrative adjective? These adjectives point out the person or thing. Okay, these adjectives point out the person or thing talked about. मीन्स किसी भी पर्सन को, किसी भी थिंग को, ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. सपोज आई हैव पेंसिल, सो दिस इज पेंसिल. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड वन थिंग more, demonstrative adjectives must be used before a noun. What do you mean by it? It means जो demonstrative adjectives होते हैं, these are used before noun, means noun से पहले use होते हैं. Examples: this table, this book, these carpets, those boys, like this. Now see the sentence example. This book is mine. This book is mine. Give me this ball. So observe it here. This, that is before book, before noun. Here is also this before ball, before noun. So demonstrative adjective कहते हैं these are always placed before noun. Okay. Now one thing more here, beta. See next example. This is an expensive. These are workbooks. Those are cows. Can you tell me what's the difference between these first two and these three sentences? What's the difference? Yes, you know, these three sentences में जो these, those हैं, these are pronouns. Okay, these are प्रोनाउन, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन है जी. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? देखो, जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं वो क्या नाउन से पहले यूज होते हैं, बट प्रोनाउन दीज आर यूज्ड बिफोर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इज, दिस इज, सो दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. दीज आर, दीज, दैट इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. सेम, दोज इज ऑल्सो प्रोनाउन. Understood? This is main difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now next type, interrogative adjectives. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? What do you mean? These are used before nouns to ask questions. Interrogative adjectives कौन से होते हैं? These are those words which are placed before noun to ask question. Example: what color? Whose car? Which pen? WHICH. Which pen? Like this. These, what, whose, which. These three are adjectives. See sentence example. Whose pen did he steal? Steal का मतलब क्या होता है? चोरी करना. Whose pen means उसने किसका पेन क्या है? चुराया है. Whose book is this? किसकी बुक है जी? Whose mean किसकी. Which car? WHICH. Which car do you drive? So these words whose, which, these are demonstrative adjectives. Now observe next sentence. Which is your book? Who gave this to you? देखो ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस में जो WH वर्ड हैं दीज आर प्रोनाउन। डिफरेंस क्या है? सेम डिफरेंस जो हमने डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव में किया था, सेम इन इंट्रोगेटिव। जो इंट्रोगेटिव जो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं दीज आर यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन दीज आर यूज्ड बिफोर वर्ब। ओके, नेक्स्ट पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स। पोजेसिव का मीनिंग होता है मीन्स ओनरशिप या राइट शो करना, किसी चीज़ पे हमारा राइट है, वो बुक हमारी है, तो वहाँ पे हमारा क्या है? पोजेशन हो गया। तो सी पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, दीज एडजेक्टिव्स टेल अस टू whom समथिंग और पर्सन बिलोंग टू। मीन पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव से हम पता चलता है कि जो चीज़ है किससे बिलोंग करती है। ओके, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स मस्ट बी यूज्ड बिफोर अ नाउन। सेम these are also used before noun. My book, his dog, their books, like this. See sentence example. This is my book. These are our books. These are his marble. देखो जहाँ पे जो है my, our, his, these are possessive adjectives. देखो ये तीनों वर्ड्स हैं, these are used before noun. Book, marbles, these are nouns. Same. Next example. Those socks are hers. Whose shirts are theirs? This pen is mine. तो इसमें देखो hers, theirs and mine. These are possessive pronouns. See, these are used after the helping verb. Okay beta, so this was for today. I hope you understood. Okay, bye, take care.